What's up, Yarny Box Crocheters? Today we're making this super quick, fast, easy heart. Perfect for Valentine's Day. For this tutorial, I'm going to be using this red Loops and Threads yarn. You can use any yarn that you want, just make sure your yarn hook is at least 2 or 3 sizes smaller than what the yarn calls for. I'm going to be using a 3.5mm hook with my weight 4 yarn. Then you're going to need a pair of scissors and a yarn needle. To start off, we're going to be making a magic ring. Wrap the yarn around your top 3 fingers like this so that it creates an X on one side and 2 parallel lines on the other side. Grab the extra yarn with your pinky finger like this. Then take your crochet hook, go under the first loop, over top the second, pull that yarn down, twist your hook 180 degrees, and then grab the yarn that's closest to you and pull it through the loop. If you didn't quite catch that, I'll play it for you again in slow motion. To start off the magic ring, we are going to chain 2. I like to hold the magic ring with my thumb and middle finger like this. Then to chain, you are going to yarn over and pull through, then yarn over and pull through again. Now we have 2 chain stitches. Now we're going to make 3 treble crochet stitches. That means we are going to yarn over twice, so that's 1 and 2. Insert your hook into the magic ring, yarn under, and now we have 4 loops on our hook. Yarn over and pull through 2 of the loops on your hook. Now we have 3. Yarn over again and pull through 2 stitches. Then yarn over again and pull through 2 stitches. Repeat it, yarn over twice, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over again, pull through 2 loops. Now this is our 3rd treble crochet. Next we're going to make 3 double crochets. I'm going to put my magic ring a little bit smaller so it's a little easier to work with. Now for the double crochet, we are going to yarn over, insert our hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So again, that was yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. One more time. And now we are going to chain 1. And now we are going to do 1 treble crochet stitch. Next, chain 1. Then make 3 double crochet stitches. And now make 3 treble crochet stitches. Now we are going to chain 2 and slip stitch into the ring, so yarn over and pull through the loop that's on your hook. Now we can fasten off and pull our ring shut. To weave in my ends, I like to double knot my 2 little tail pieces together and then weave them in just to make sure that they're super secure, and then you can trim them. That's all there is to make this super cute little heart. The bigger yarn you use, the bigger the heart will turn out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.